What is that thing up there? Huh? What is that thing up there turning around? Is that a big whirly bird? Can you get to it? I don't think you can get to it, can you? Hmm? Now's your tail chasing you again?